today I'm taking for you new topic, new application. Application name is Bigo Live Live Stream Go Live. I will show you firstly review about this application is as an associate minister and ancestral. He said I love the Bigo Live app. I have discovered a know of great broadcaster host. There are a few bugs with the Bigo Live app when installed from the Google Play Store on an Amazon Fire SG8 tablet. Once the user can't use the heat list search box to search for a specific broadcaster host to the bar section of the app can't connect to the internet, the user gets a button that says refresh. When the user clicks the refresh button, nothing happens. Please fix this issue. Thank you. Second one is watch out for scammer, but I have been using this app since last year. A few disparate phone temperature counts and prepaid carriers letter and have enjoyed several conversation and performance as a shy musician songwriter with a lot to offer. It's great to see what's out there. Second is Jervin Dirash. He said the hot blind box opening is always empty. Also, the fan lottery is not working properly. It's not showing up even it's showing and working for other. It also detecting me in other country when using prices, location, very wide, but other features are good. Made friends side outside of this application. I will show you about this application. Signification is watch, create live stream or go live to post social followers to be an influencer. Bigo Live have over 400 million users around the world. Say no to FOMO, postcard your life, gain friends, receive gifts, make friends, and live in the moment or watch live stream, live video anywhere, anytime. Recommended to people who want to watch live streams and interact with hosts in real time, enjoy online music content like chatting with people from around the world, enjoy watching gaming live streams and discussing strategies, are interested in becoming an influencer by showcasing your talents, like to support others who work hard for their dream, love luxury goods, watch live stream billion of talented broadcaster, dancers, singer, foodies, comedians, and more. Live video chat and video call, no bottom. Bigo Live can match you with locals around you or with people from all around the global. Live voice chat and drop-in audio chat, the space for casual drop-in audio conversation with friends and other interesting people around the world, similar to Clubhouse. Live PK broadcaster with the most point will win and loser will be punished there or not. Vlog video blog broadcast your live show of your talent and become a popular vlog star in Bigo Live. Live game streaming, yes, we do go live stream or watch others live stream of popular games such as PUBG, World of Warcraft, Minecraft, GT, etc. Guide to app permission, required permission, optional permission. How to change permission? Permissions can be changed in setting Bigo Live even if you don't agree with the optional permission. You can use our service except for permission related to those permission. If you don't agree with the optional permission, it may be difficult to use some of our functional properties. Say hello, official website, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. Any feedback, please contact us. You can see about the Bigo in another languages. See the rated and its significance. You can see version updated on downloaded, download size, quite in a purchase, offered by. If you want to install this application, just go and press the install button. Your application will be installed. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will come to you with new topic. Take care. Bye bye.